Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to Ayan's Nani house and my mommy's house, and we have taken a flight from New Delhi. We are going to take a flight from New Delhi airport to Bareilly airport. So uh, it's a it's an 80-hour flight, small 72-seater. So we are going with that, and Ayan is all set, excited, and he always carries his stroller full of toys every time he goes anywhere out of station, out of Gurgaon. So here is his stroller, and he specifically wants to take care of his stroller, and he wants to give it in check-in. And whenever I travel with him, he helps me a lot everywhere, this little man. So we are all set, we are going to check in, and then we are heading to Bareilly.
भाई इधर देखो Where are you going? Go.
So now we have checked in and we are going to the flight. At the terminal, we bought coffee from the coffee shop and also a donut for Ayan, which is his favorite. And so we are on our way in the flight. Always he carries his iPad so that he can play his games and watch his cartoons. So now finally we have landed at Bareilly airport and the whole family is waiting outside. Ayan is so excited to meet everyone. His nanu, nani, mommy. And finally we have reached home, and Ayan has got his favorite meal, curry rice. And whenever he gets his favorite meal, especially at Nani's house, he wants to eat on his own. Otherwise, he is always like, Mama will make me eat. So he always looks forward to eat Nani ke haath ka khana, and he feels super excited, and he always praises Mama, you don't cook like Nani, you should learn from your Mama how to cook. And I'm like, I try my best, but obviously there is so much of love in Nani ke haath ka khana. So in the evening we went for a quick stroll in the market, Bareilly ka bazaar, which is famous for, and the Jhumka City Bareilly. So on our way back to home, I had wanted a ride on a battery rickshaw. So we took it, and it looks very colorful. It has full of colorful lighting, and which Ayan is enjoying along with Nani. So we are heading back to home. So it's our next morning in Nani ke ghar mein, and Ayan getting all pampered by Nani because he always gets a very nice massage, full body massage, which Nani does, and he always enjoys that. So every day in the morning he gets this nice massage. And now it's study time with Nani. He enjoys studying with Nani. With Mama he hates studying, but with Nani he loves.
ए अब ऐसे लाइन खींचो, ए बन जाएगा, यहाँ करो, ए बन गया, अब बी बनाओ, हाँ वन लाइन और वन गोल गोल ऐसे ऐसे करके जीरो बना दिया. अब एक और बनाओ यहाँ पे तो बी बन जाएगा. बी फॉर, हाँ ए बन गया, ए फॉर एप्पल, बी, हाँ बी बनाओ. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अब ऐसे करो यहाँ पे गोल गोल ऐसे करके एक बना दिया, वन हो गया. अब एक वन और बनाओ ऐसे करके तो बी बन जाएगा. मुझे नहीं बोलना है, आप बनाओ. चलो चलो इसके नीचे और बनाओ, ऐसे 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 और करो इसके नीचे. हाँ हम उधर देख रहे हैं. बन गया. इसके नीचे और करो तो बी बन जाएगा, है ना. ऐसे राउंड राउंड और करो ऐसे करके, ऐसे ऐसे देखो ऐसे बनता है बी. हाँ बी फॉर क्या होता है? एप्पल. A for apple होता है, B for boy, जैसे अयान बॉय है ना.
Now in the evening, whenever his Nanu comes, he gets so many snacks and everything, chips and all for Ayan. So he gets all excited. So he calls him, he makes him really excited about everything. So he calls him, Ayan, let's check out what all I have got. And he feels so happy. So tomorrow morning we are heading to Nainital, which is around a 3-hour drive from Bareilly, and from there we'll go to Ramgarh, which is around 1-hour drive from Nainital. So finally we have by car we have come to Nainital. We have checked in our room, and now there is a very nice place for sightseeing on a hilltop, so we are going there to click pictures and to enjoy a beautiful sunset. So Ayan wants to do this small track on his own. Now it's turn for mummy and whole family. It was a small track, but we loved it. The view was really amazing upstairs. So this is our hotel, and this is the view from a small terrace next to our room. So we were sitting there having coffee, enjoying the view, and the view over here was just exactly like a scenery. It was so beautiful. And in the morning, the clouds came till our terrace area. Now Ayan wants to copy me. I was making a video and Ayan wants to do exactly the same. So he said, make the same video like yours. So we had a nice day here. We saw we went for sightseeing. We saw beautiful sunrise and sunset. So now we are going to another very famous location for sightseeing. It's called the Bhalugarh waterfall. The name of the place is Bhalugarh waterfall. It's close by Ramgarh, hardly 20 minutes drive from there. So we have reached there. You can see the beautiful farming going on over here. There are beautiful fields of vegetables and fruits, and on your way you'll get to see apple trees and also peach trees. So you can actually pluck them. Like there are few trees from there, it's allowed. You can pluck the peaches from there. So Ayan is very excited. Ayan is saying when I will grow up, I'm going to be a farmer, it seems.
Be careful.
So we have to actually do a small trekking. So we are going there, heading there. You have to walk a lot, and this is the way. This is the pathway. So on the right hand side, there is a river going on, with the water comes from the waterfall, and on the left hand side are the big trees. And this place is full of greenery, trees, nature. So if you are a nature lover, you are definitely going to love this place. And also if you love trekking, so this place is a must visit. So right now the water is dry, so you can't see much of water on the right hand side, but the view is breathtaking. So we were actually enjoying walking here because of the greenery, the trees, the mountains, hills, and fresh breeze, of course. So tenting facility is also available here if you want to stay here for a day or for a night. So you can come here. You'll get small tents here, and there are food joints also, small. So you can have a nice time here. Finally, we have reached the waterfall. The place was really amazing. Right now, the flow of water was not very high because it was summertime, peak summer going on, May, June. and but otherwise the water was really very cold. Ayan was enjoying a lot. In fact, we all had fun. Few people were taking bath also there, but we just stayed till here. We clicked pictures and videos. But the view and everything was really amazing. When you'll go there, then you'll get to know how beautiful this place is. So this was the view on our way back. We clicked pictures and videos. This was really amazing place. So down there you can see the whole Nainital and Haldwani. The view is really amazing and the weather was really nice. Look at the view here. It looks like a painting, like somebody has done a nice green painting. So finally we came back to our hotel and the view from our terrace, like I told you, was really nice and amazing. So if you are looking for a place not very crowded, you can go to Ramgarh, which is nearby Nainital, around an hour drive, 45 minutes drive, when there's no traffic. So you can go there, stay there for a day or two, and then you can come back to Nainital. So next day we came to Nainital and came straight away to zoo, Nainital Zoo, because Ayan really wanted to go there. And I didn't know that the zoo in Nainital is so amazing. They have each and every animal. They have cheetah, they have lion, they have tiger, they have bear. They have variety of peacocks, white, colorful, and they also have variety of bears and variety of birds and everything. So everything you will find there, and in the nature you will get to walk in between the nature, the trees, the greenery, and you have to climb up. So if you are not able to walk properly, so if you are traveling with elderly people, so just make sure you drop them in Nainital only and then come if they are not able to walk. Otherwise, if you enjoy trekking and walking, then it's a must place to visit along with the kids, and kids will definitely enjoy this place. So there is one place, one spot, till there you can get your car, or there is a place from the mall road. You have to buy ticket, and they have their own shuttle. You can sit in the shuttle and you can come till the zoo. There is a point where they drop you, and you have to just walk little bit towards the zoo, and directly you can come here. You can roam around for an hour or two, check inside the zoo. You can walk around, and on your way back again they will drop you at the mall road on their own vehicle, on their own shuttle. So this way it becomes easier. But yes, again there is a big queue, especially on the like season, when season is going on. That time there is a big queue, so you have to like stand or go there like before time, and you have to come back before the sunset because the zoo closes by around 6 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's coming. See.
उसकी अभी वो टॉप नहीं करता मम्मा
कि ऊपर भी कोई है जान कि कोई ऊपर से भी
सामने आजा 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 चुंगू चुंगू आजा
टाइगर बरसात आ रही है ना टाइगर
So finally we came back from zoo at the mall road, and it was a beautiful sunset time going on. So we took a boat ride. We took a full boat ride. We actually enjoy, and when you take a boat ride, you'll get to see the 360-degree angle of the this place and all the mountains, and 360-degree angle of this lake basically. So the view is really amazing from the lake if you take a boat. Yeah, so you should not definitely miss it, and don't forget to wear your life jacket. It's a must, and also for safety reasons. Yeah. So we found this beautiful spot where we took our videos and photographs. Then we did a little bit of shopping. So you find beautiful umbrellas in the mall road. Nainital is very famous of these umbrellas. You actually get these designer umbrellas. I bought few. I'll show you in my next vlog what all I shop. And Ayan actually took all the cars and different monster trucks and all, and he wanted to try everything over there. So for kids, there are really nice activities at the mall road. So guys, it's our day 2 in Nainital, and first thing we do is we take a boat ride, which we enjoy. So every day in the morning also we have to take a boat ride whenever we go there, and in the evening also. So this is our day 2, and we took again a boat ride, and the view was really amazing. Then we took a feet massage. So at the mall road you find a lot of these people who do your leg massage and all. So they do it really nicely. They have their Ayurvedic oils and all. So Ayan feet was paining a lot, so he wanted this leg massage, and he really enjoyed it. And then later in the evening we are heading back to Bareilly. So 2 days we stayed in Ramgarh and 2 days in Nainital. So it was a 4-day trip and really nice. Finally, we are back in Nani house. Ayan is sitting with Mami. Ayan enjoys her company, Badi Mami. And Ayan has two mamus, two mamis. So she's his big mommy, and he enjoys her company, and also he enjoys studying with her.
And bear.
And bear.
And monkey.
And monkey.
Good boy.
So full on naughtiness is going on. He loves this place, Mandir. He wants to do puja also and all naughtiness also.
आया ना चौकबो आ गई आइसक्रीम.
So the best part about Nani house is you get to eat everything, whatever you want. You just have to ask your Nanu Nani and everything they'll give you in your hand. And he enjoys Nani ke haath ka khana. So he eats on his own. This is one thing I enjoy. I love whenever I'm at my mom's house. Ayan enjoys the food and he also enjoys eating on his own. Eat.
क्या कह रही हो यार?
So we wanted to do a little bit of shopping. So we are here and Ayan gets really excited. Ayan wants to do everything. So now he wanted to become a shopkeeper and he has taken over the counter and he wants to show all the sarees to everyone. And later in the evening, we went to this beautiful place called Deja Vu in Bareilly. It's in Swantar Hotel. It's a beautiful place and lovely place to hang out. And so me and both sister-in-laws, both my bhabis, we went there in the evening. Ayan was with his Nanu and Nani. He enjoys their company. So next morning, it was raining heavily and Ayan is in full-on mood to do all the naughtiness. So he's there.
अरे निकलो जीते को निकाल दो ये रख दियो ये संभाल के रख दियो.
And next day we are going back to Gurgaon by road. So my brother will be dropping me. So we are going there. So this is our last day in Nani house. We had so much of fun. We went on this beautiful trip. So whenever we come to Bareilly, we have to go there. And in the evening, he's enjoying with his mamu. Evening movie time. And she's Ayan's Parnani. And he always wonders that why her hands are like this. He loves her. He loves to play with her. So we came to this beautiful place, a beautiful nursery basically in Bareilly. It's a massive nursery and you get all kind of trees and plants over here. So whenever I come here, I buy few of the small plants here and I take them to Gurgaon, especially when I am traveling back in car. So if I'm going by air, so that time obviously I can't take the plants. But this time I'm planning to go by car, so I took the few of the plants. And heading back, we stopped by at Starbucks and then going back to Gurgaon. So thank you